Hi guys, get ready with me for any party. So let's go and watch this video. Let's begin. So first of all, I'm using lenses from Aqualens. Shade is Naughty Brown. I just love this shade. Next, I'm using Recode Corrector Contour Concealer Palette. This is, guys, amazing. It hides all your flaws. I am using on eyes to hide my dark circles and to create a base to do the eyeshadow on it. Guys, this palette is amazing. Now I'm using orange color corrector under my eyes to hide the dark circles. It is really important, and I'm also doing on the other parts where the darkness is. Now I'm using the shade of my skin tone to hide the spots on my face so that my face should look even when I'll apply the foundation. After the blending, can you see my face is looking even from everywhere? Now I'm using eyeshadow palette from Mars. It's amazing, guys, and it's very reasonable. If you want so many colors, go for this one. First of all, I'm using the light shade for the base of my eyes. Always start with the light color. Any color you can start with according to your choice. Blending is must. Do blend each and every color. Now I'm using little dark tone of the same lighter tone and again blending. After this, I'm using very light tone glitter on my eyes because I want to keep it nude and neutral shade because I don't want to highlight my eyes too much. Can you see I'm using my finger to apply glitter? You can even use brush. Now I am using the darker tone for the ends of the eye to make it little brighter from there. Now I'm blending the last color which I used. Blending is the key, guys. It is really important to make your eyeshadow look merged with all the rest of the colors. Now I'm using foundation from Charmisi Milano. The shade is according to my skin tone. I would suggest please choose the foundation according to your skin tone. It's really important. After applying the foundation, I am blending the foundation on my face with the brush. Now I am going to use lip and cheek tint from Love Earth. This is amazing multi-pot palette. Now I'm using loose powder from Tarte. It's amazing, guys. It merges with the base nicely. Next is liquid eyeliner from Prosh. This is so nice. Next is mascara. This is from Maybelline. It is amazing and I just love this mascara because it makes your lashes look bigger. Now I'm using black kajal pencil from L'Oreal. Guys, this is the best. It doesn't smudges and it stays for like long hours. Next, I'm using Maybelline makeup setting spray. This is awesome, guys. You can go for it. Now I'm using my favorite highlighter from Character Cosmetics. It is amazing. I always use this because it blends so nicely. Now the lipstick part, I'm using lip crayon from Forever 52. It's like blendable, like you call it butter. It's like that. As the shade is a little dark, so to lighten it up, I'm using liquid lipstick from Charmasi Milano. It is a pink shade. It will make my lipstick look little lighter. Guys, this lipstick from Charmasi, it's amazing. It doesn't go anywhere even if you drink, eat, go for it. Now let's see the final look in different lights. This is how the makeup is looking at night. Makeup with ring light effect, so it is looking more brighter now. Wow. Makeup with room light. This is how different lights change the makeup look.